Welcome once again to uh, the designing class with Spingy Design. So today I'll be talking on introduction to Canva. Introduction to Canva. From my text, I've explained what Canva is, and I've sent several notes on Canva. So now let's go straight into it. You click on the Canva application and it opens. If you are a new user, that means that once it opens, it will ask you to register. It will ask you to register or to sign up for an account. So the best thing for you to do is to register with your mail or your Facebook, and once you sign up, this environment is what you are going to get. Now what we'll be discussing in the course of this video is the interface of Canva. Now Canva is the largest storage or large accumulation of different arrangement of graphics, different arrangement of print and e-designs that you can use. Now let's start. At the top you have the search. At the top here you have the search area. Then you now have something that looks like a crown, and that is what leads you to where you need to upgrade to Canva Pro. You know, when you upgrade to Canva Pro, you are going to get several additional goodies. Let me call it that. Several additional goodies, because I call them goodies. I like fresh things, you know, fresh design, fresh concept. But the free ones there too are also enough for you to create what you want to do. Now these are the prices. Then the next thing for us to do is to go into the main area where you have several titles of different designs that you want to do, like Insta story design, Instagram post design, animated post, Facebook post, Facebook cover. You know, you can just explore them, you know, and see. So it already give you an idea of what you want to do. It already give you an idea of what you can do. So when you click all, you see several designs that you can do, that the templates are already there. So all you just need to do is look for a template that fits into the idea of what you want to do and fix in your content. So that makes design very easy. But you know, if you're like me that like to be creative, sometimes I can click on blank. And start inputting my design. In the next class we'll do something on blank. In the next video rather, do something on blank. So now then at the bottom we have the template, we have the designs, we have the account. Now I've told you about template. Design is already saved design that one has done. So these are the designs that I've done on Canva. It has been a while I've been on Canva anyway. I don't really, because I'm more of a creative design. So the only time I go to Canva is just to look for ideas anyway. Now then you can select them and see edit them also. Like this should I wash, I think about 3 years or 4 years ago, this should I wash, I was trying to design a graphics poster for my theater ministry, you know, that I'm a part of. Now the third one is the account, where you have like your profile, you know, infos and the rest. So I think that's all for the introduction to Canva environment. Thank you very much.